Anytime now. Gates open, they're up and racing. Street Vamp draws for your lead. Mr. Integrity in second, racing in third. London Dry, unequal Desari outside. Billionaria is by the rail as they race at the last 900. Street Vamp in command by about a length and a half. Mr. Integrity in second, then racing in third. Billionaria, followed by London Dry, unequaled. Past the last 800 is Street Vamp, still leading the field. Mr. Integrity is running by the rail second, racing in third. Billionaria moving up. London Dry and unequaled as they race at the last 600. Street Vamp still leading the field by about a length and a half. Mr. Integrity remains in second, racing in third. Billionaria as they swing for home. Street Vamp leading the field. Mr. Integrity getting closer in second. Billionaria, and down the stretch they come. Street Vamp leading the field, followed by Mr. Integrity in second, and leading the finish line is Street Vamp, doing it from start to finish. Second, Mr. Integrity. Billionaria, number 5 unequaled, and London Dry.
Yun nga, yun eh, pinauna.